What's the meaning of chop suey? Chop suey. Chop suey.
Chop suey. Chop suey. Chop suey is a dish that originated in China but has also become popular in some Western countries. The dish typically consists of mixed vegetables such as cabbage, bean sprouts, and bamboo shoots, along with meat or seafood, and is flavored with a variety of spices and sauces. It is often served with rice or noodles. The resulting dish is a flavorful and colorful combination of textures and tastes that can be enjoyed as a main course or side dish. Overall, chop suey is a delicious and versatile meal that has won over many culinary enthusiasts around the world.